Don't give up the day job. If someone isn't great at something new they are trying, you can tell them to stick to what they're already good at. It's a funny way of saying, this might not be your thing. Jake tried singing at the school talent show, and his friend joked, that was funny, but don't give up the day job. Mia painted a picture for art class, and her brother said, it's nice, but maybe don't give up the day job. After Sam tried to fix his bike and made it worse, his dad laughed and said, I think you should call a mechanic and not give up the day job. When Emma told a joke that no one laughed at, her friend said, you're great at sports, but as a comedian, don't give up the day job. Alex tried to bake a cake, but it came out burnt. His sister said, cooking isn't for everyone, don't give up the day job.